Here is the file that I have downloaded from the Microsoft Teams, the group, and then I have just taken the same file with the name of input. So here we can see all the details of the each and every 10 products are listed, like product link, supplier link, and many other details, and the product name also that is not in the desired format. So we'll just close it, and we have the Python code with the name of Gao file. So we'll just open the terminal and start the Python and then gao.py, and after running this we have the output, like product details have been saved to output.xlsx with hyperlinks in the same repository. So we have the file here, output. So if we'll open it, so we have all the details. Let's make it out of it column width so that it can be visible. So here it is, product name and then product ID, and if you will see, all the product names are in the desired format, like the first letter is capital and the preposition and conjunction are starting with the small letters, and there is a space between the hyphen near the GAOTek. So this was the required format in the group. So all the product ID are aligned with the product names. So category we have product link, we have supplier link, and then we have meta description here. So the next part of the project is like I was just figuring out how to just convert the table into a desired format, but I haven't got the success. Like these are the trial and errors, how to finding all the step-wise step. Like we can also implement that we can use the Chromium and we can just pass a Word file, and it will already fill all the details in the WordPress file, sorry, a GAOTek lab WordPress, and then it can do automatically without any intern interaction.